TwinMind is an amazing browser extension that allows you to have access to large language models in the form of a sidebar on any web page that you're on. So for example, let's say I was doing some research about something on Wikipedia and I also wanted to relate that to my emails, which I've got open. Let's say there's a specific email from someone that I want to essentially cross-reference with the Wikipedia page I've got open. I can make sure the large language model uses context from both tabs whilst it's producing its output. So we're going to dive straight into this here. If you're new to the channel, this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto this Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence, and I'm going to open up the TwinMind sidebar, which once you download it should be Command or Control M. And as you can see, I've got a sidebar here and it's giving me a few options, right? So I can select particular tabs, I can attach PDFs, I can transcribe audio, or I can also search the web. Now, I can attach files quite easily by clicking this paperclip, and I can decide which tabs the large language model should pull its context from. So if I open this up here, I can see I've got a spreadsheet open, I've got my emails open, I've got TwinMind open, and I've got, of course, this AI Wikipedia page that I'm looking at now. And if I want, I can also prompt the large language model using audio and transcribe that. And then I can also look into the audio memories if I made any audio transcriptions in the past. So let's say, for example, I want to distill the content on this Wikipedia page into 500 words. I can simply write, distill the content on this page into 500 words. Okay, so as you can see, it usually gives a TLDR version, which is quite useful. And then it's got a summary of artificial intelligence, the goals, and everything else I need to know. Now, if I wanted to insert that into, let's say, a particular text box, I can just click insert. You see that that's all in there, but of course I'd probably put that into a document. Or if I wanted to just copy it and paste it somewhere else, I could click copy and paste it wherever I want. And whenever I want the sidebar to go away, I can just press the key command, which is Control or Command M. So as you can see, this is a very useful tool. It's completely free as far as I'm concerned. I haven't ever been asked to pay for anything for this browser extension. And it's something that honestly I can't live without. I've been using it for some weeks now and it's just super helpful because I don't have to constantly keep switching to the ChatGPT tab, especially for quick bits of research or content creation that are actually related to the context on the tab that I'm on. So I definitely recommend this. And if you're really keen on getting ahead with AI, then I'd recommend joining my school community called Everyday AI with JI, where I post my latest discoveries in the AI space first. Have a great day.